In this video, we'll explore the top 3 alternatives to GoHighLevel. We'll compare these platforms in terms of features, pricing, and ease of use to help you find the perfect fit for your business. Let's get started. Number 1. Kartra. Looking for an incredible all-in-one digital marketing platform? Meet Kartra, designed with entrepreneurs and business owners in mind. It's a powerful toolkit offering everything from building sales funnels to running email marketing campaigns, managing clients, setting up affiliate programs, building membership sites, scheduling appointments, and much more. But here's the game changer. Kartra comes with a CRM system that rivals pricier alternatives like Hubspot or Zoho. It offers a visually pleasing view of your sales pipelines, making lead management a breeze. Kartra seamlessly integrates with other tools like email marketing, automation, video hosting, help desk, and calendars. What truly sets it apart is Kartra campaigns. With just a click, you can deploy pre-made campaigns, saving you time and effort. Ideal for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, agencies, and service-based businesses, Kartra eliminates the need for multiple software purchases, saving you money. Plus, our viewers enjoy an extended 30-day trial, so you can explore all its features thoroughly. Don't miss out. Check the link below. Number 2. Builderall, your go-to alternative to GoHighLevel. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing powerhouse with a treasure trove of over 40 digital marketing tools. From a user-friendly drag-and-drop website builder to a sales funnel wizard, email marketing prowess, a scheduling calendar, chatbot magic, video hosting, a nifty video maker, SEO wizardry, webinars, and much more. It's all here under one roof. What makes Builderall stand out? Well, it integrates all these tools seamlessly into a single dashboard, making your work life a breeze. And if you're into CRM, Builderall's got you covered with a highly advanced one. Plus, they offer one of the largest collections of website templates, sales funnel templates, and chatbot templates in the game, known as the Funnel Club. Whether you're a solo online entrepreneur, a web designer, a small business, or an agency, Builderall has something to offer. The best part? Pricing starts at just $14.90 a month, making it one of the most budget-friendly business platforms out there. To sweeten the deal, they're throwing in a 14-day free trial of all their premium tools and features. Check the description for the link. It's worth a click. Number 3. Hubspot, a well-known CRM powerhouse in the industry. Hubspot may seem massive with its myriad of tools, but it can be a bit overwhelming when you're just starting out. Navigating it can be a challenge, especially for busy startups. But here's the good stuff. HubSpot lets you manage your workflows effortlessly with a slick project management view. You can assign, track leads, and keep a close eye on the entire sales process. Plus, you can record customer interactions across various channels, making it a comprehensive CRM that covers the entire customer journey. The best part? HubSpot CRM is free, so you can get started without breaking the bank. They do offer paid add-on packages with fancy features like recording AI and advanced automation for those who need them. Now, let's address the downside. Customization options are a bit limited, which might not be ideal for niche businesses and agencies seeking tailor-made solutions. But if you're after a CRM with a robust feature set and don't require extensive customization, HubSpot might be your jam. The basic CRM features are there, and they do the job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.